Get help with your Gmail account. Are you having trouble with your Gmail account? No worries. Let's walk through how to easily get in touch with Gmail customer service and troubleshoot common issues. Visit the Google Help Center. Start by heading to support.google.com and selecting Gmail. Here, you'll discover guides on everything from password recovery to email issues, spam settings, and more. Use the Help feature. Next, click the question mark help icon located at the top right of your Gmail inbox. This feature lets you search for solutions or reach out to support if you're using Gmail through a Google Workspace account. Contact Google Support for Workspace users. If you're using Google Workspace, sign into your admin console at admin.google.com. Navigate to Support, then click on Contact Support. This is where you can call, email, or chat with a Google representative for personalized assistance. Helpful tips. Forgot your password? Head straight to the account recovery page. Phishing or suspect your account is hacked? Make sure to visit the security checkup. Want faster help? Consider Google One or Workspace plans for priority support. That's it. Whether you're using personal Gmail or Google Workspace, Google has plenty of ways to help you find answers and get back on track.